Welcome back to my channel, you guys. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and start off with my Paint Pots and Soft Ochre by MAC, and I'm going to be using this to prime my eyelids. And in today's video, I'm going to be using BH Cosmetics new Daisy Marquez palette. I love this palette. It is so pretty. It's just so unique, the packaging of it, because the mirror comes off and you can stand it up, and the colors in this palette are so pretty, and the formula of the eyeshadows are amazing. I do recommend this palette to you guys. I did get it when it was on sale, but it's still pretty affordable. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this shade right here, and this is going to be my transition shade. So I'm gonna put it all over my lid and all over the eye, all the way up to my eyebrow, like I usually do. Then I'm going to jump into this yellowy shade right here, and I'm going to be starting to put some color in my crease. So I'm putting this in my crease. As you can see, it is pretty pigmented. It's just so amazing. You guys need to get this palette. And I'm going to go ahead and jump into this reddy orangey shade, and I'm going to put this in my crease as well. But I'm using a pencil brush just to really put that in the crease. I don't want it to overpower the yellow shade because I really want the yellow shade to pop up. So that's why I'm using a pencil brush. And then after I do that, I'm going to be blending it out. So when you do a colorful look, you want to make sure that you start blending out a lot and really early. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm blending everything out. I did add a little bit of more yellow, but you guys need to make sure you blend a lot when you're playing with color. Then I'm going to be jumping into this shade right here, and I'm going to be applying this to my crease as well with a smaller pencil brush, and I'm using this shade to deepen it up a little bit. But I noticed that it didn't really make much of a difference because I think the orangey shade was a little bit more darker than that. So I just applied a little bit, and then I moved on to the next shade. Then I applied this burgundy shade right here in my crease as well, just to really define it. So this one actually worked a little bit better than the one before. And after this, I do blend everything out again one more time, because you gotta blend, you guys. Don't forget to blend. So I jumped into the yellow shade again and just blend everything out one more time. And then after that, I'm gonna be moving on to I'm going to move on to this white shimmery shade, and this is a shade that's going to go all over my lid. I don't think I've ever done a look like this on my channel before, and I really like how it came out, and I really wanted to use the white shimmery eyeshadow for some reason, so that's why I decided to do a look that was going to go really good with this shimmery shade. And so I applied that all over my lid, and then I went in again and I redefined the crease because I felt like the white eyeshadow took over the crease. So that's what I did, and I also blended everything out one more time. Don't forget to blend, you guys. And then moving on to eyeliner, I'm going to be using my NYX matte liquid eyeliner. I love this eyeliner, by the way. I do recommend it. It's pretty affordable, and it actually dries down matte, which I know a lot of people don't like shiny eyeliners, and this one is completely matte, so I do recommend it to you guys. And I try to do a really thin eyeliner, but you know, shit happens. Now for eyelashes today, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics eyelashes in the style M200, and these lashes are really pretty. It's actually my first time trying out BH Cosmetics lashes, and I really like them. Now I'm going to be smoking out the bottom lash. I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow that I used in my crease. And I'm going to be using my Sex Kitten eyeliner to tightline and in my waterline. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using my Man Eater mascara by Tarte as well. This is actually my first time using the mascara, and I actually really liked it. So I do recommend it to you guys as well. And then for inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm going to be using my Fairest of All highlighter by ColourPop. It is part of the Ribbons collection. This is the Evil Queen collection sets. I did do a review on this, so if you guys want to see it, I'll link it on the screen somewhere. But such a creamy highlighter. I recommend it to you guys. It is so pretty as well. Like, oh my god. And then that is it for this video, guys. So you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was a pretty short tutorial, but I've been doing pretty long ones, so I decided to keep this short. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys. Love you. Mwah.